Here are 10 signs that you might be doing better financially than you think. And that is important because as adults out here, we really like to go very hard on ourselves. Even we second guess, we doubt if we are making progress. But then again, if you sit and reflect, you might realize you are doing better financially than you think, is what I want to talk about in this video. 10 signs that you are doing better financially than you think. And once you note these signs, kindly continue doubling down on them because that is what is going to make you richer. In case you are new here, my name is Afagza Sifuna. I am a finance expert and qualified accountant, bringing you amazing videos about investing and making money each and every day. In case those are kind of topics which excite you, down there is a button called subscribe. Click the button for you to subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss any of the videos I upload each and every day. And while you still at it, drop a like on this video. Thank you for subscribing and also liking this video. Having said that, this video is going to be into two parts because these signs are classified into two. The first set of signs is that you are focused on the wealth game. Okay? And then the second set of signs is that you are contented in your pursuit to become rich. On to the first part, where you are playing the wealth game. The first sign is that you are focused on buying assets instead of luxuries. Guys, when people out here are building wealth, one of the biggest mistakes people do is they focus on luxury. Simply put, they are looking to buy valuable goods so as to have status instead of building wealth. In case you don't care about those valuable goods, you don't care about luxuries, you are instead focused on buying assets, which you are targeting for these assets to give you a form of return, whether it is rental income, whether it is interest, whether it is profit from business. You are doing well. In fact, you are doing much better compared to a lot of adults out there because a good chunk of adults out there are focused on status. And then the second sign is that you think in years instead of months. Long-term thinking is not for everybody. Out here, majority of people are thinking short-term. They are thinking next week. They are thinking next month. But in case you out there thinking years, you are buying assets, okay? You are making moves as you are thinking, how is it gonna be 5 years from now, 10 years from now? That is a sign that you are doing better financially. Reason being, you are focused on the long-term benefit of your move financially. Simply put, you are focused on how you're gonna enjoy the benefits of compounding. That is a sign that you are doing better than you think financially. And then the third sign you are doing better financially is that your income has increased, but your lifestyle hasn't increased that rapidly. Guys, that's an important thing because out here, for a number of adults, one of the biggest mistakes they get into is something called lifestyle inflation, whereby their lifestyle increases at a very high cost compared to their income. You could be there, you've maybe doubled or even tripled your income sources, right? And you haven't really changed your lifestyle a lot. You are living the same way you used to live maybe 5 years ago or even 3 years ago. It doesn't mean you are maybe not prioritizing yourself. It simply means you are prioritizing things of importance like assets, income, and so forth. That is a sign you are doing well financially because you are not about the business of lifestyle inflation. You know the risk of that. So you rather focus on the important things in life. And then the fourth sign you are doing well financially is that you are focused about your net worth instead of appearance. Out here, people are focused on appearance. And because of that, they end up incurring very insane liabilities. Case in point, car loans. Just to buy a car, to show people out there they are also of good status. They are focused on even borrowing money to get clothes and to lead a social life which they are not even able to afford. You out there, in case you are focused on a net worth, simply put, in case you get all your assets, subtract your liabilities, right? That's what you're focused on. You always focus on ensuring your net worth is on the positive side. That is a good sign you are doing much better financially because majority of adults out here don't even think about their net worth. Even they don't know how to compute their net worth. In case you are focused on that, it means you are financially savvy and you are focused on an important metric. And then the fifth sign you are doing much better financially is that you have built multiple streams of income. Out here, majority of adults only have their salary. They are surviving paycheck to paycheck. In case you have built multiple streams of income, whether it is income from business, you have invested in financial assets like, for example, even bonds, stock markets, so you're getting maybe dividends, you are getting maybe interest, right? And even you've diversified across all the other areas. That is a good sign for you. You are doing much better financially. You don't need to be getting millions or even thousands from all these different investments you've done. But just because you've decided to get multiple streams of income through your effort, even if you're getting little amounts of money, 100, 1,000, 10,000, that is amazing because you on to a good trajectory. Most adults out here only have one stream of income, which is salary. So in case you have multiple, you are doing much better financially. And then the sixth sign that you are doing well financially is that you always ask yourself one question before you make any financial move. And the question is, will that move make you rich, or will it just make you look like you are getting rich? In case you are cognizant and always asking yourself that question, it means you are critical of the moves you are making. You don't need an outsider to tell you are making a wrong move. And that is something most adults out there don't really focus on. A chunk of adults out here are all about impromptu shopping. They're all about class and status. So in case you ask yourself this question before you make any financial move, it means you are in the right mindset for you to be able to build wealth. And in case you continue, most likely you're going to become wealthy over time. So guys, those are some of the signs which tell you you are focused on your wealth game, which are very key pointers to indicating you are doing well financially. Now, let's look at the signs which point towards you being contented and moving in a way that you're showing contentment. And the first sign when it comes to you being contented or comparing yourself to only yourself is that you do compare your progress against your yesterday's progress. You don't compare with other people out there. That is a very important thing. Reason being, all of us, we have different journeys when it comes to our financial pursuits. So you shouldn't even be comparing yourself with other people out there, because it's common sense. If you compare yourself to someone who's doing lesser than you, you're going to feel good. If you compare yourself to someone who's doing much better than you, you'll feel depressed. That is why you comparing yourself with yourself, basically who you were yesterday, it shows you are doing much better financially because you have a good basis of comparison, instead of letting pressure finish you or even pushing yourself to the limits, which in reality you can't even reach to. Everybody out here has a different trajectory financially. So if you are comparing yourself with yourself yesterday, you are doing much better financially. And then the second sign around contentment is that you don't let social media define what success looks like for you. Of course, everybody's journey towards success is very different, right? And in social media, we have people painting pictures which are fake. They are painting a lifestyle which they're not living. They are painting a lifestyle which they are leading anchored on loans. So in case you've reached a point of maturity, why don't let social media define your journey towards obtaining financial freedom? You don't let social media define what success looks like for you. You are doing much better financially because it means you are shaping your own financial trajectory. And then the third sign is that you celebrate consistency instead of big wins. Out here, most people forget to really reflect upon and even celebrate small wins. They think about only the big wins. The truth is that in the quest to build wealth, consistency is one of the most important things, even beyond talent. A person who's consistent basically means they're going to continue improving time over time. That is why if you've already identified that consistency is a very important thing, and you are prioritizing consistency and really reflecting on even the small wins, it means that your journey towards building wealth is very solid and you are doing much better financially than a ton of adults out there. And then the fourth and last thing I want to talk about is that you define success in your own terms. Guys, you are a unique individual. Your journey towards building wealth is very unique. So in case you've reached a point of being comfortable in your own skin, in your own reality, to define wealth in your own terms and then follow that particular strategy or plan you have, it means you are doing much better than you think financially compared to many people out there. because a ton of people out there don't even have a strategy which they are pursuing when it comes to them building wealth. So in case you are focused on that, it means you are doing much better financially. What do you think about these points I've shared with you? Do you think you are doing much better financially, or do you think you need to improve? Comment down below in the comment section. Let's continue discussing. Cheers, guys, and you all stay safe.